from the food pantry, and let's see what can we make stuff with. So we'll just throw stuff around and check it out. Let's see. So, oh hi. I just came from the food pantry. You get some things sometimes that you may not know what to do with. But you know what? I do like olives, so I would eat them alone. But I'll show you something we can do with that later. Let's see. Water chestnuts. I know some good Asian recipes that I'll show you. Well, let's see, what else do we have? Nice thing about it, everybody likes pasta, so we got some penne, and of course they give out a lot of tomato sauce, which is really good. But sometimes you get bored of pasta, so basically utilizing your local food pantry, making meals on a budget. This series, I'm going to show you all kinds of stuff you can make with stuff you get from the food pantry, some really good foods actually. And I know everybody's getting their food stamps cut back like $10, $20, $50 here and there. That's really a lot. So it's hard when especially when you're working and you can't afford to spend a lot on food. I'm going to show you, go to HRG Guidance News Facebook page, and I'll show you some more recipes. Or you can go to hrgcommunitynews.com/meals on a budget series. Or just Google it. Okay. Come on, I'll show you what to make.